everybody, it's Michelle again and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here today. I truly appreciate it, and Happy New Year. I know I'm a couple of weeks late, but I've been really busy. The holidays were amazing. I spent it with my family and friends, and I just took a few weeks off. So sorry I didn't do any makeup videos for the holidays, but like I said, I was busy with family and just wanted to take time out to be with them. But as you can tell from the title of the video, this is going to be a teeny tiny little mini haul. This is some of the stuff that I got for Christmas. I didn't get a whole lot of makeup for Christmas since I got a ton for my birthday back in November. So I just wanted to share a few things that I've been collecting throughout the last few weeks, and I thought that I would share them with you. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first couple of things that I got for Christmas were some more brushes, and these are from Morphe. And I wanted to get especially these two large brushes to use with my Guerlain pearls. You absolutely know I love the Guerlain Meteorites pearls for setting and finishing my makeup, and so I wanted some bigger brushes. I only had one, and when it gets dirty, then I'm stuck. So I decided to get two more large brushes. This first one that I absolutely love is the Morphe E40, which looks like this. It's very soft. I don't know if you can see how big the top is. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. It fits perfectly in the tin. It buffs my makeup perfectly. I absolutely love it. And can I say perfectly any more time? But then I also got the Morphe E2, which is really nice, and I've used that as well. It fits perfectly in the tin and buffs it all over. And I can use this with powder if I want to wear a matte foundation. This one works really well as well. The next one I got is the Morphe M570. It looks like that, and I got that for powder underneath my eyes because it's nice and flat. When I don't want to use a sponge, I thought I'd get a nice flat brush to use underneath my eyes for powder. This has worked really, really well. And then I got some eye blending brushes, and sorry, they're a little dirty because I've been using them. The first one I got is the Morphe M501. Which looks like this. As you can see, the bristles are nice and large. This could be used for highlighting as well, and I've used it for highlighting and it works really, really well. But I like it for really blowing out the crease color. It works amazing. It's boom, 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 boom. You are done. Love that. And then I got some smaller crease brushes. This is really, really tiny. This is the M506. And as you can see by the bristles right there, they are very tiny. Getting into the inner crease or the outer V works perfectly. And then lastly, I got the M330, which looks like that, which is a basic blending brush. And this is really nice just for adding crease color or doing the outer V as well. Not as precise as the M506. So as you can see the difference in the sizes right there. I don't know if you can see that because I do not have auto-focusing on my camera. So that's what they look like. So those are all the brushes that I got from Morphe. I'm very happy with them. So yeah, give them a go. They're not that expensive. I think it's morphebrushes.com or it's morphe.com. I'm not sure. I'll put it at the bottom of the screen if I'm wrong. But they work really, really well, and they're amazing. They don't fall apart. They wash really, really well. The bristles do not come away from the ferrule when you wash them, which is really nice. They stay nice and tight and glued, and I love that. So way to go, Morphe. I have some more goodies in here, and as you can see, I went to MAC, but I'll get to that lastly. But I have the rest of my goodies in here. So let's start out with, of course, I had to get the holiday Guerlain pearls, and these are called the Guerlain Meteorites Electric Pearl. And don't you just love the tin? It is absolutely beautiful. I think I got this from Nordstrom or Saks. I can't remember because I know Sephora didn't have it, and you guys know how much I love the Guerlain pearls, and I wanted to get, I'm a collector of all the pearls. This is absolutely beautiful. I don't know if you could see this without me dumping them all over the place. They are a white, a cream, and a bronze. But it doesn't make your makeup dark. It just gives it a nice, beautiful, pearly finish. I absolutely love it. Love this. Very happy with this purchase. As always, as is all the pearls that I've ever purchased, I am very happy with them. And then I got an old favorite. I got the Chanel Bronze Universal, and this is an oldie but a goodie. If you've been with me since the beginning of my channel, you're gonna know I've went through a couple of these. So this is what it looks like. It's a cream bronzer. And I love this. This was a recommendation from Nicola from Pixie Woo years ago. I mean, we're talking like 5 years ago. So I went through a couple of them, went on to something else, forgot about it, and I decided for Christmas this was what I was going to buy for myself, this and the pearls. And I absolutely love this product. It just bronzes up the skin. It just, you know, it doesn't look, you know, you don't want to slice your cheekbones with this product. You just want to warm up the face. And it works really, really well now that I'm pale. And I love to use this product when I have a tan. I'll just put it all over my skin just to perfect everything, and then put a little mascara and a little lip balm, and I'm good to go. So this is a great, great product. I wish they had it in some darker shades, you know, for some darker skin girls, but they only have the one shade. So I wish Chanel would get on the ball and do a couple darker shades, because this product is absolutely amazing. And I don't know if I showed it to you, but it's a cream bronzer, and as you can tell, I've been using it a lot lately. So yes, very nice. Love the Bronze Universal. All right, and let's get on to MAC. So I only got a couple of things from MAC. I didn't go crazy. I got a repurchase of the MAC Eye Crayon in the shade Smolder. So this is an eye kohl, and I love to put this in my waterline, and when I want my eyeliner to move, you know, when I want that really smudgy slept in look, because there's some times where I love that look. I think it makes me look younger. You know, I'm now 50 years old and I love to look younger than I truly am. So I love that smudgy look where it starts to smudge underneath your eye. I absolutely love that. So I went with Smolder. And then for the days that I don't want my eyeliner to move, the girl had a suggestion. I really wanted squid, but they discontinued squid. So I went with the Technical eyeliner Kajal in the shade Graph Black. So I haven't tried this one yet, but I'll keep you posted and let you know. I have my Marc Jacobs one, which works amazing when I don't want my eyeliner to move, but it's very, very expensive. So I only save it for special occasions, or if I'm filming, doing a tutorial. Not very often do I use it. So I wanted something that I can use every day when I don't want my eyeliner to move, and she suggested this. So I will keep you posted and let you know how this goes. So lastly, I ordered this off of Amazon, and I had heard about the Japanese camellia seed oil from someone on YouTube. I can't remember who, so I can't give credit to who I heard it from, but they said it was great for super dry skin. So I ordered this off of Amazon, and I ordered a small bottle because I wanted to try it before I actually purchased the larger bottle, because it is more expensive than my my rosehip oil. So this is about $9.99 for 0.5 ounces, which is 15 mils. So it works great. I absolutely love it. It sits well under makeup. You know, I'm not wearing any makeup today. This is a no makeup haul because I was too lazy to put on makeup. So this is what I have on today, and I absolutely love it. It sits well under makeup. It doesn't move. It doesn't start breaking away, at least on me, around my nose or on my laugh lines or anything like that. It works so, so well. So I'm definitely going to buy the full size of this. I love it. And that is it, everyone. That's my tiny little mini New Year's Eve haul. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I would surely appreciate that. Also, remember to hit that little bell down below so you'll be notified of all of my videos in the future. I thank you for watching. I love you guys. Happy New Year, and I will see you with more tutorials this year on Vintage to Vixen. Thanks everybody for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.